Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a water pump on a GMC Envoy. First, gather your essential tools, including wrenches, sockets, and a drain pan. Always ensure your engine is completely cool before beginning. For safety, disconnect the battery's negative terminal. Then, carefully drain all the engine coolant into an appropriate container. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Once prepared, begin by removing the serpentine belt from the water pump pulley. Next, carefully disconnect all hoses that are attached to the water pump itself. With the hoses free, you can then unbolt the water pump from the engine block. Be sure to keep track of all fasteners. Finally, gently remove the old water pump along with its gasket. Now, prepare for installation. Thoroughly clean the engine block's mounting surface to ensure a proper seal. Install a brand new gasket onto your new water pump. Carefully position and mount the new water pump to the engine block, tightening bolts to specification. Reconnect all the hoses you previously removed and then reinstall the serpentine belt onto the pulley. With the new pump installed, it's time for the final steps. Refill the cooling system with the correct coolant mixture. Be sure to bleed any air from the system following your vehicle's specific guidelines. Reconnect the battery's negative terminal. Finally, start the engine, allow it to reach operating temperature, and carefully check for any signs of leaks around the new water pump.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.